do we need to speak in English? What is your answer? What do we need to speak in English?
Confidence.
Confidence. And
Grammar.
grammar and
Adequate vocabulary.
adequate vocabulary and what do we need to speak in English? Yeah,
Practice.
she was right. Huh?
Practice.
Practice. She was right. You are going to get everything here: grammar, structures, tenses, everything here from basic to advanced level. Sandeep sir has been training you. But what I think, we need confidence to speak in English. Am I right?
Yes,
sir. But how can we get the confidence? That is the first question. How can we get the confidence? And that everybody is searching everywhere. That how can we get the confidence? How can we get the confidence? Can we buy the confidence?
No.
Can we buy the confidence? Yeah, I want 1 kilo confidence. I want 2 kilo confidence. I want 3 kilo confidence. Can we buy the confidence from anywhere?
No.
Can we buy the confidence?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
No, we cannot buy the confidence. Can we sell our confidence? I have got more 3 kilo of confidence. I want to sell my confidence. Can I sell my confidence?
No.
Can I sell my confidence?
No.
I just want to tell you, we cannot buy a confidence. We cannot sell a confidence. Then how can we get the confidence? We can get the confidence by a mental. We are confident. And when we are not mentally prepared, we are not confident. So then again one question, how can we become mentally prepared? Right? How can we become mentally prepared? If you want to become mentally prepared, I have given this what solution I am going to give right now. I have given this solution to my one student at the time of interviews, and he was very excited about his interview, and he went for the interview and he faced his interview and he got selected and he became an IPS officer. So I just want to give you that trick for you all. If you want to be confident in your life, you should always have this thing in your mind, that is, I think, therefore I am. Follow me. I think, I think, therefore I am. This formula is very important in the life, in everybody's life. I think, therefore I am. I think, I can speak English. Therefore, I can speak English. Do actions, everybody. I think, I can speak English. Therefore, I can speak English. I think, I am fluent in English. Therefore, I am fluent in English. I think I am learning English nowadays. I am making some mistakes. But I will correct my mistakes. And I will keep speaking till I become fluent in English. I think I don't scare of anybody. Therefore, I don't scare of anybody. I think I am the best person. Therefore, I am the best person. So this self-talk is very important. Whenever you face yourself that you are in trouble, just have a self-talk. It will do a work of a mantra. It will do a work of, it will give you lots of energy to face the problems. So if you want to increase your confidence, you need to go for a self-talk every day. Because nowadays in the world, everywhere there are the waves of the negative thoughts, negative feelings, negative actions. And if we want to save ourselves, we want to escape from these all negative feelings, negative waves, negative circumstances, then we need to force ourselves, energize ourselves, enthusiase ourselves that no, I am not that person, I am a very confident person. No, I am not that fearful person, frightened person, I am very delighted person, I am very happy person. Alright, would you do that every day?
Yes, sir.
Every day?
Yes, sir.
I think the best time to do a self-talk is after you take a bath or before you go to sleep. These two timings you have to do the self-talk from today onwards itself. Would you do the self-talk every day?
Yes, sir.
Okay, once again. I think I'm good in English. Therefore, I'm good in English. Directions. I think I'm good in English. Therefore, I'm good in English. I think I'm a hard-working person. Therefore, I'm a hard-working person. I think I am the best spoken English student. Therefore, I am the best student. I think I can talk to anybody in English. Therefore, I can talk to anybody in English. Okay, if you do this 10 minutes every day, I think you will very earlier you will become to speak in English fluently. Now